According to the National Electrical Code, electrical equipment and materials must be suitable for the environment in which they are installed. Damp environments are defined as areas with moisture, water vapor, or condensation that may adversely affect the operation or lifespan of electrical equipment. Metallic outlet boxes are generally not considered suitable for installation in damp environments unless they are specifically designed for such use. Appleton OB/SB-1 boxes are not listed as damp rated or weatherproof. ENT conduit is not rated for use in damp or wet locations unless it is specifically protected with a corrosion-resistant coating or installed inside a raceway. An argument that the boxes and conduit are sealed within the block and protected by weatherproof covers is not sufficient. The NEC requires that electrical equipment be both suitable and protected. Sealing the boxes within the block does not make them inherently damp rated. It is not permissible to use metallic outlet boxes and ENT conduit that are not damp rated in a damp environment, even if the covers are weatherproof. Firstly, use damp rated outlet boxes and conduit that are specifically listed for such environments. Secondly, seal the conduit and box connections with appropriate moisture-resistant materials. Thirdly, provide additional protection against moisture, such as using gaskets or rain-tight covers, if the dampness is severe. Failure to follow these recommendations could result in electrical safety hazards such as shocks, fires, or equipment damage.